Hello, good morning students. So welcome back on my YouTube channel Math Mentor. So today we are going to discuss the last trigonometric function, that is the graph of trigonometric function y is equal to cosec x. So see the last function, we have to discuss the graph of this function y is equal to cosecant x. In short we write cosec x. So to draw a graph we must find out the values of y to the corresponding different values of x. So these are the values of x. X is actual angle measured in radian. So minus 2 pi to plus 2 pi, जितना ज़्यादा वैल्यू लेंगे आप उतना वो ग्राफ इजीली अंडरस्टैंड होता है. कम वैल्यू लेंगे तो थोड़ा ग्राफ छोटा आएगा, उससे सारे पॉइंट निकलेंगे नहीं, बाहर निकलेंगे नहीं, बिकॉज जितना बड़े वैल्यूज ज़्यादा वैल्यूज उतना ज़्यादा वो अंडरस्टैंड होगा. सो माइनस 2 पाई टू प्लस 2 पाई, दिस इज द वैल्यूज ऑफ एक्स. फर्स्ट वी हैव टू ड्रॉ फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ कोसेक 0. कोसेक 0 इज 1 अपॉन साइन 0. 1 अपॉन साइन 0 इज इन्फिनिटी. कोसेक पाई बाय 4, 1 by sin pi by 4, it is root 2. Cosec pi by 2, 1 upon sin pi by 2 is 1. Cosec 3 pi by 4, cosec 3 pi by 4, which is equal to, it is 135 degree. So it is a cosec pi minus pi by 4. 180 minus 45, 135. 180 minus theta, that is in second quadrant. Second quadrant में तो cosec पॉजिटिव होता है, so it is a cosec pi by 4. It is root 2. Okay. Now cosec pi. Cosec pi is 1 upon sin pi. 1 upon sin pi is infinity. So this is infinity. Cosec 5 pi by 4. 5 pi by 4 means 225 degree. So it is a pi plus pi by 4. So it is a third quadrant. Third quadrant में cosec negative होता है. So it is a minus root 2. Okay, after this, cosec 3 pi by 2, 270 degree. 180 plus 90. Pi plus pi by 2. Third quadrant, which is negative, minus cosec pi by 2. So 1, so here is what? Minus 1. What about this cosec 7 pi by 4? 315. Cosec 260 minus pi by 4. Sorry, 360 minus pi by 4. 360 minus 45. 360 minus 45 is 315. Okay, so this is in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, cosec is negative. So minus cosec pi by 4. It is a minus root 2. Last is cosec 2 pi. 1 upon sin 2 pi. It is infinity. So this term is what? Infinity. सब वैल्यू निकालिए. सब बहुत ही स्पीड में आना चाहिए आपको. अलाइड एंगल, वैल्यूज ऑफ सम टिपिकल, सम बेसिक वैल्यूज 0, 45, 90, 180, 2, 360, इतना वैल्यूज आपको सबके आना चाहिए. तो थोड़ा फास्ट हो जाएगा ये वैल्यूज. नाउ एग्जैक्टली रिवर्स हियर. व्हाट अबाउट द नेगेटिव एंगल? सो दिस इज cosec of minus theta is equal to minus cosec theta. So negative बन जाएगा ये minus root 2, minus 1, minus root 2, minus infinity, plus root 2, plus root 2, plus 1, plus root 2, and this last infinity here becomes minus infinity. Okay, so this is the table. In first row values of x, in second row corresponding values of y. So y is what? Cosec x, right? So now we can draw the graph, we can plot a graph by using these values. So we can remove this. So to draw a graph we need the coordinate system. The vertical line is y-axis, the horizontal line is x-axis. So this is y-axis and this horizontal line is x-axis. So define a scale. On x-axis intersection point is 0. So here pi by 4, pi by 2, 3 pi by 4, pi, 5 pi by 4, 3 pi by 2, 7 pi by 4, and here is 2 pi. Same on the left hand side. So this is minus pi by 4, minus pi by 2, minus 3 pi by 4, minus pi, minus 5 pi by 4, minus 3 pi by 2, minus 7 pi by 4, and this is minus 2 pi. Got it? So here plus 1, here minus 1, here plus 2, here minus 2, in between there is a plus root 2, and here is a minus root 2. Okay, now प्लस रूट टू की वैल्यू 1.414 होती है और माइनस रूट टू की वैल्यू सेम माइनस 1.414 होंगी. सो नाउ देखो हम यहाँ पर कैसे पहले ये इन्फिनिटी निकालेंगे. माइनस पाई प्लस 2 पाई 0. सो हियर इज 0 where cosec x is not defined. Not defined means discontinuous. Excuse me. Curve is not defined. Pi. Two pi. Okay. This dotted line means the curve is not defined, the curve is discontinuous. Here my minus pi, here minus 2 pi. Okay, now we have to place the point. So 0 is infinity, no doubt. Pi by 4 is root 2, here plus root 2. Pi by 2 is 1, here is 1. Here is plus root 2. 5 pi by 4, it is minus root 2. Minus 1. Minus root 2. Okay. Got it? Now to the left hand side, minus pi by 4, it is minus root 2, minus 1, minus 3 pi by 4 को minus root 2. Here in this portion, minus 5 pi by 4, it is plus root 2, here is plus root 2, plus 1, plus root 2. ओके हो गया. सिर्फ इस पॉइंट को हमें ज्वाइन करना है. सो हाउ टू ज्वाइन दिस पॉइंट? इट इज वेरी इजी. लुक एट द लास्ट पोर्शन हियर. सो वी कैन ड्रॉ लाइक दिस. here like this, here. Now in the last portion, this is the graph of cosec x. Just imagine, just observe this. This is the curve y is equal to cosec x. So यहाँ से कुछ पॉइंट आप खुद डिफाइन कर सकते by using this graph. Here this graph does not passing through the origin. So this is the first important point. So mention here, curve does not passes, passing through origin. Origin से ये curve पास नहीं होता. Curve is discontinuous. It is a discontinuous. सिर्फ साइन एंड कॉस ये दो ही कर्व कंटिन्यूअस कर्व है, बाकी टैन, कॉट, सेक, कोसेक ये सब कर्व कैसे डिसकंटिन्यूअस है. बट कहां पर डिसकंटिन्यूअस है? -2 पाई, -पाई, 0 पाई, 2 पाई. डिसकंटिन्यूअस एट दिस एट सिंबल n pi such that n is integer. 0 pi, 1 pi, 2 pi, -pi, -2 pi, -3 pi. So the curve is discontinuous at n pi, n belongs to I. So important third point, curve does not lies between -1 and +1. ये -1 और +1 का पोर्शन देखो, वहां पर कर्व यहां पर नहीं है. सो दिस कर्व डज नॉट लाइज बिटवीन दिस पोर्शन. सो दिस पोर्शन इज व्हाट? -1 to +1. Got it? Now here important we have to define domain and range. So I told you that domain means the values of x. So values of x means all the angles measured in radian. So this is the values of x. सब R है, set of real number, but except some points where curve is not defined, -2 pi, -pi, 0 pi, 2 pi, except n pi, such that n belongs to I. This minus means except. Set of all real numbers except 0 pi, 2 pi, -pi, -2 pi, -3 pi. It's n pi. N is integer. So this is the domain of this curve y is equal to cosec x. Now range. What is range? Range means the values of y. So values of y is R, set of real number R. R means what? -infinity to +infinity है, but -1 और 1 के बीच में नहीं है. So except ओपन इंटरवल -1 एंड +1. बिकॉज अगर हमने क्लोज इंटरवल लिखा तो इट इज -1 भी है और +1 भी वहां पर नहीं है, एक्सेप्ट नहीं है, वहां पर नहीं है, बट -1 पे तो है. ये देखो -1, ये देखो -1, ये देखो +1, ये +1, ये -1. मीन्स -1 और +1 ये छोड़ के बीच के जो भी नंबर है -1 to +1, बट एक्सेप्ट -1 एंड +1 बीच में कर्व डिफाइंड नहीं है. ओके, so this is the domain and range of this curve y is equal to cosec x. So this is the important study of calculus, that is the graph of trigonometric function from sin x to cosec x. But in this video lecture we completed y is equal to cosec x. Okay, so stay tuned on this YouTube channel Math Mentor. So we will stop here. Thank you very much.